So in this Scotiabank app tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply for a line of credit here on the Scotiabank application. So once you open up Scotiabank, just go to the bottom left, press on the home tab right here. Then I want you to scroll down to where it says borrowing and just go ahead and press on start borrowing. Once you're on this page, it's going to bring you to the Discover tab right here. So a bunch of different options here. So at the top, it says featured, lines of credit, loans, motorized vehicles, etc. You're looking for a line of credit, so we'll just go ahead here and select lines of credit. Now, once you guys are here, you can scroll down. So there's the Scotia line, personal line of credit. There's the Scotia personal line of credit for students. There's the Scotia RSP catch-up line of credit. A bunch of other different options right here in regards to line of credit. So if I were to scroll down right here and just do this one, Scotia line personal line of credit. If you wanted to apply to that, I'll just go ahead and press on apply now. It'll then bring you to the application page right here, so you can scroll down, read what you have to read, do what you got to do, and if you want to proceed with the application process in regards to applying for the line of credit, just press on agree and continue, and then proceed with the next steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to apply for a line of credit here on the Scotiabank application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.